Hey, it's Olivia. Welcome back to Eitan's channel. Should I welcome you back to your own show?
Yes.
Eitan, would you like to come into your kitchen?
Hello. I have no idea what's going on over here.
That is the point of the show.
Not gonna lie, last time I probably did too much snooping and I knew what was going on.
You did. You flambéed with too much confidence.
Yeah, so for today, I've been triaged upstairs.
Yes.
And I don't know what's going on.
I'm a little nervous to do this part of it, but I'm not gonna tell you. I want you to guess.
Got it.
I have a couple layers of clues set up for you to guess.
Noted.
Okay, here we go.
That's chocolate ganache.
Good.
Some type of meringue.
Yes.
Are we making macarons?
Yes!
That's almond flour.
Macarons, but yes.
Macarons, same thing.
Marshmallows, chocolate.
Oh!
We're making
S'mores?
S'mores Macarons.
S'mores! Oh, wow!
I'm so proud of you.
I'm
That
very
was a really
excited.
good guess.
Yeah, that was a giveaway.
Yeah.
Well, so I've actually made macarons in the past.
Yeah.
Way back when.
Uh-huh.
I can't get feet on them. So for those who know, like French macarons, they have like, when you bake them, they have a little foot.
And why does the foot develop?
Well, I don't know, I don't never do it. That's the problem. So I think I'm just gonna start with the ganache because I want that to cool.
That's not a choice.
So I'm just going to heat up my heavy cream over here. Wait, I love s'mores. This is fun.
Not what that pot was for, but I love your work.
So my guess is that the inside filling is marshmallow, like fluffish consistency, and then chocolate ganache is somewhere. So I'm just gonna chop my chocolate. Is this like bittersweet? All right, great. Wait, I feel like way better today than the other day.
Okay. I mean, time will tell.
Especially knowing that you already made some macaroons in case I fail.
Yeah, there are
macarons.
Look at the nice skin you got on that. It's disgusting.
There we go. To let that melt.
And that cream's still hot?
Yep, in my mind.
Oh.
Well, other than this pot, which we're gonna get rid of.
Put a full minute on the microwave.
It's off to a great start.
Incredible confidence.
Well,
60's the minimum?
So if you click the start button, it has 1 minute. So that's like the easiest bet. Oh, look at me. Great.
Great.
Okay, now I'm gonna add in a little bit of salt. Remember in that episode where I like smashed
I do,
salt?
because you know who strained the glass out of your dish? Me.
A little vanilla extract to bring out the flavor. And let's just stir that up. I'm gonna sift it because of this.
Yep.
I'm gonna sift these two together, mix them up.
Have you sifted it in the past?
No, that's probably why mine didn't work.
That's why you don't have feet.
Yeah, I'm gonna guess it's cream of tartar. And I learned in my last episode with Olivia that you add it towards the end, not in the beginning. How would one know? I'm not snorting it. I did that with the pepper.
The black pepper.
That was painful.
You got some bad advice from someone on set.
Macaron time. Macaron time.
You're going, okay.
Okay.
You have two mixers. I'm just going to point that out. You have two options here.
And I've chosen.
Okay.
Is there a better technique other than using this?
Starting with a larger spoon will make it go faster. You've chosen a very chaotic kitchen utensil for what you're doing.
Oh, there we go. Look at me. Let me just try this because I want to commit.
Okay.
Oh, it's working. Egg yolk.
Oh!
Egg whites?
Yeah.
I'm going to start beating that up.
Okay. Feeling blessed, never stressed?
Sometimes stressed.
Feeling blessed, occasionally stressed?
Occasionally stressed. We're changing the song. Now I'm just going to slowly stream in my sugar. I am proud of myself.
That's all that matters. Oh, the vanilla right in.
Woo, look at that. This looks good. Check on our peaks.
Peak check.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Gorgeous.
Well, what?
You're throwing bows.
Oh, that was
millimeter.
Sorry. Now here's the question.
Here's the query.
Do I mix the eggs into the dry, or do I mix the dry into the wet?
That's the query.
I was in honors physics.
Okay. All right.
I failed,
There's
but
no
I
need
was
to-
in it. I'm gonna get another bowl. I still haven't decided. I just made it look better.
Okay. You just did something else to delay your decision.
Yes. I'm just holding off the problem. I am confident.
You're affirmating?
I can make feet. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do my same technique as there. I'm gonna do half of it to start. That's what I'm gonna do.
With all due respect to you, who do you want to keep it in the bowl? As you know with the macaron, you don't know until they're in the oven.
It's true, until the feet develop. They're kind of like a baby. I do get pregnancy cravings, I'm convinced.
Do you think that's because you're pregnant? Or you
Probably
just
not.
experience cravings?
I just experience cravings.
Okay, and I'm not saying this to stress you out, it's just true. This is the most important part, what you're doing right now.
Yeah.
Tell me what texture you're going for right now.
Like smooth.
Okay.
Well, because like, you don't want chunks of almond. We found the piping bags, and I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, it's almost ready for my technique that I'm gonna teach you.
You think you're teaching me this?
Oh wait, crap. No, wrong one.
Do you want me to give you something that will work for what you're trying to do?
I got it.
Do you? What have you done? What have you done? What have you done to the ladle crock?
Accept it.
Oh, Eitan. Honey. Okay. How you feeling about your mix right now?
Now that we mention it,
Uh-huh. Now that I'm querying you?
less good. Okay, that's very helpful.
Yeah.
I would mess that up. Is ovular a word? Like having oval qualities?
It's just
Ovular is an adjective meaning related to or like an ovule, as in an egg or seed. Ovular is often misused to describe objects in the shape of an oval.
That looked so bad. Oh, I'm so stupid. You just go like this. Oh my god. Just trying to get them to be equal.
they're like enormous Hershey kisses.
Yeah, well, no. Sorry.
I like this elbow hold. You're really just, it's a full body.
Well, I'm
macaron.
trying not to ask for help.
Honestly, what if you just make that your thing? You
Yeah,
do
I've
macaron
hatted
with the
maroons.
hat. Hatted the maroons? Is that what you said?
No, had hit maroons. Wait,
That's a color.
hatted macaroons.
Nope.
Hatted macaron.
Yes.
I'm gonna let them sit here, and then they're gonna sit until you can touch them
Okay.
and not be wet. Is water wet? Well, like water isn't wet because in order for something to be wet, water has to be on it. But water can't. Like water is water. Okay, out of 10, am I doing higher than 5?
I think you're right at 5.
I'm gonna start by adding my sugar into my pot along with my cornstarch
Cornstarch.
right in there. Oh, corn syrup. Cool. Okay, Google.
Absolutely not.
Well, I don't. What I mean, it's like. Well, I don't know. I don't know.
See, you can't even trust Google. It's giving you brown liquid
Burnt
temperatures.
sugar. None of this is helpful.
No.
I think it's supposed to be like softball state.
Yeah, what temperature?
Somewhere around 170.
240.
Going once. Oh, I thought we were doing a lottery.
No. I was going to
240.
tell you.
240.
I'll give you that.
Okay. Yeah, I can start whipping.
Nope.
Nope.
You just give me a stir and just incorporate the ingredients a little bit.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Yep. Yes. Oh, great. There's caramelization going on. Okay.
Why do we add water?
It'll just help it. Oh my god, I should have used this. This says all of the things. See? Soft ball, hard ball, firm ball, soft crack, hard crack, caramel.
Well, one thing's for sure, Eitan, you are illiterate.
What's our eggs doing? Nope. Oh. When I've made marshmallow in the past, I forgot to use cornstarch, and then it crystallizes, and then I have crunchy marshmallows.
Are you thinking of corn syrup?
Corn syrup. Oh, good.
What are you looking for here?
Like that. Yeah.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
it's
yeah.
like doing.
We're looking for that, and it's doing.
It's doing. Nope, that's dangerous.
Yes. You know what? If you just nod, it means you're doing it right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel good.
Okay. What am I smelling?
Now I'm gonna add in my cream of tartar.
Why does it smell like that?
It does. It's gonna keep on whisking.
All right.
I was gonna get a spatula.
Great. Here's one. I
Looks delicious.
feel.
Great.
All right.
Slightly taste wrong. But we're in a good. Wow, basically everything's coming together. Rachel, this looks good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, they're almost dry. There's something in this that tastes really bad.
It's something that you did to the ingredients.
I think it's ready. Do you want to
Love
try
that. No.
Okay. Oh, it's better. Here's the thing about macarons.
Tell us.
You want to cook them at a lower temperature than you will bake like a cookie.
Because?
They're delicate. They're kind of like a meringue. So you want to like a little low and slow action. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
How low, how slow?
How low?
Good question.
Tell me why it's grainy.
Oh, did I like shock it?
Just scare it.
I'm like, ah! It like just reinvigorate.
Reinvigorate.
Needs a facelift.
Don't we all? When I am stressed, I too just want a little splash of heavy cream.
That's what I do for myself. We're basically done.
Fascinating. Texture's upsetting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just gonna keep going for it.
I'll eat it.
How long are you gonna bake these, Edie?
Probably about 20, 30 minutes. Did you already make some? Oh, crap.
Because this was the one part I was confident you'd do correctly.
So what, wait, did I microwave? Yeah.
Yeah, you scalded your cream.
These are dry and ready. Gonna now pop them into the oven.
Curled his toes into the handle of the oven.
That's
and
what I
opened
do.
it. And how long are we baking?
Excuse me. 20 minutes, and then I'll check on them.
Okay. Do you want to talk about why, what happened there?
The cream scalded, and then it burnt, scalded?
This cream yelled at the chocolate. Scalded.
Scalded, and then it burned the chocolate, and now the chocolate's chunky, so it's garbage. What? Wait. They look like the colored graham crackers.
And you have what?
Oh, nice feet!
Look!
That's actually good.
I know.
I'm impressed with myself.
Well done.
Look at me. We're gonna let these
These
cool.
are your first macaron feet.
Yeah, wow.
Wow. Okay. What do they taste like?
Graham crackers.
They taste like graham crackers?
No.
Why'd you just lie to my face?
No.
That's the best thing you've made today.
Thank you.
I can say that.
I'll take that.
Okay.
Now, luckily we have pre-made chocolate ganache from
Noah's birthday cake.
Noah's birthday cake, which we're gonna use, and then we're good.
Yeah.
If you're enjoying this video, might I suggest you pre-order my debut cookbook. Eitan Eats the World is available pre-order everywhere books are sold. Barnes & Noble, Amazon, Books A Million, everywhere, and on EitanEatsTheWorld.com. It is full of 85 of my favorite comfort food recipes that I cannot wait to share from my kitchen to yours. The book is delicious. Well, I mean, the physical book is not edible, but the recipes in it are delicious, and I think you will love it. I feel good.
They're cooled?
Yeah, they're cooled, and it is time. So I'm just going...
I think your biggest downfall here is going to be the hats. That is a choice that you can make. Who did these piping bags for you? They're so
Of course
expertly
you,
done.
that's not a question.
Oh, you're gonna do it that way.
Yeah. So thick.
How are you feeling about your filling ratios right now?
Well, you need to have like one of those like snake mouths that can like detach the jaw.
Okay, a snake mouth. Are you gonna taste one?
Of course, I made one for me, one for you.
Oh, thank you.
Here you go, bon appetit.
Okay, I lied when
Bon
I said
appetit.
that you were in charge of that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to bite it in half. It's gonna be a mess, and I'm gonna hate that. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So they're overbaked for sure.
Yeah.
So you got that big gap.
Compliments to the chef. Me.
With all due respect, chef, I made one of these elements because yours failed.
True. I learned how to make the macaroons. I do fit macarons. Did I learn how to pronounce it? No, I did not.
Do you want to see what my macaron looks like?
Yeah, I would love to.
Right.
So my hand's just there.
You can see that yours are much thicker, and you have these little hats, and you can see that the tops of mine are nice and smooth and shiny, and yours look like the poop emoji. You've had several of yours, I believe.
Let me try.
So give one of these a try.
Oh, it's better. Yeah. If you've been watching, if you want the recipe, it's on eitanbernath.com. And it's good.
Just remember not to burn your chocolate and not to overbake your macaron.
Yeah.
A couple of quick tips.
Easy as macarons.
Dye them whatever color you want.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yep.